Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see one more problem on diagonal scale. So the problem is like this. Construct a diagonal scale of 1:63360 to read furlongs and chains and long enough to measure up to 6 miles. Show a distance of 4 miles, 3 furlongs, 2 chains on it. Okay, so before going to start the problem, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So in the problem, representative fraction RF is directly given in the problem, that is 1:63360. Okay, so length of scale we need to calculate. Length of scale LS is equals to RF into maximum distance or maximum length. Okay, so RF is 1/63360 into what is the maximum distance? It is 6 miles. 6 miles. So we know that 1 mile is equals to 8 furlongs. 8 furlongs. 1 furlong is equals to 10 chains. 10 chains. 1 chain is equals to 22 yards. 22 yards. 1 yard is equals to 3 feet. 1 foot is equals to 12 inches. And already we know that 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeter. Okay, so now we can convert this as 6 miles into 8 furlongs into 10 chains into 22 yards into 3 feet into 12 inches. 12 inches. Okay, so we can get this answer as length of scale as 15.24 centimeter. 15.24 centimeter. Right? Okay, now we will construct a scale. So the length of scale is 15.24. Okay, height of the scale should be 40. Okay, so this length of scale, it is 15 point length of scale is LS is equals to 15.24 centimeters. Right, so this is the scale. Now we have to divide this into 6 equal parts. Why? Because the maximum distance is 6 miles. So same procedure we have to do. So take a less than 45 degrees line, and you draw with convenient radius. You cut this into 6 equal parts and draw. Right, now we draw all vertical lines. So say it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the main scale and it is mile scale. This is main scale, it is mile scale. Okay, RF already we know. RF is equals to 1:63360, right? So already we know that 1 mile is equal to 8 furlong. 8 furlong. So you divide this into 8 equal parts. Same by line divide method. Okay. So take this with convenient radius. You divide this into 8 parts. 1. So we have divided again into 8 equal parts. Now you join the end points with the help of your mini drafter. You fix it and draw the line and move to the next point. Right? Now you draw all diagonal lines starting from 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8th, 7th point and end point. Fix your drafter, move to the next point. Right? So we have drawn 8 equal parts. So this is furlong scale. Furlong scale. Again we have to divide its further subscale, that is immediate subscale, that is chains. So 1 furlong is equals to 10 chains. So divide this into 10 number of equal parts. Again same by line divide method. We divided this into 10 equal parts and we have drawn all the equispaced lines. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now you draw all horizontal lines. Okay, so this is chain scale. Okay, now we need to mark 4 miles, 3 furlongs, 2 chains. So 4 miles is this, 4 miles, 3 furlongs. So 1, 2, 3 furlongs and 2 chains. So 3 furlong and 2 chain is here. Okay, 4 miles, 3 furlong, 2 chains. From here draw a vertical line and show it as 4 miles, 3 furlong, 3 furlongs and 2 chains. So this is the way to draw the problem and mentioning the distance. So with this problem we'll conclude the class. And in the next class we will see one more problem. Thank you.